Hi, my name is Dimitri from Text Cortex, and in this video, we're gonna dive into how to create a lead list. So if you're a sales professional looking to save time on building a lead list, we're gonna show you how to quickly find those leads and then add them to a knowledge base for future reference using Text Cortex. Now, what's really cool is if you go here to our chat, that you actually have the ability to check out our different quick prompts, which is really great. As you can see, ZenoChat has the ability to help sales individuals and other people based on their type of work. Now, ZenoChat really is above the rest because of its capabilities to not only have great outputs on its own, but also integrate with a bunch of different information. If you're someone who wants to search the internet, focus on specific files and content that you've uploaded to your Text Cortex account, or want to utilize different templates that you already have and integrate with other tools, it's an amazing experience to utilize Zeno. So let's try first by clicking on this lead list right here. You'll see that it'll tell me to develop a focused lead list for management consultants located in Germany. Then ask a follow-up question for the industry I am in to create a targeted lead list. So it's gonna use the search functionality and find the list here. And it's gonna ask me, could you specify the industry that you are involved in? I am in the content services industry. Now, as you can see here, it says great in the content services industry, targeting different companies that offer consulting services related to content management and strategy could be beneficial. Here's a focused approach to create a targeted lead list. Awesome. So this is a group of people that I could work with. As you can see, it did a great job of searching the internet. And if we go on the menu on the side here, you'll see that there is a bunch of different things like previewing websites, checking the references, and much more to interact with in the chat. As you can see, there's many different models you can choose from and interact with and make adjustments on it to your needs. But what's really powerful about this is the fact that after I've looked up something like this, I can actually add this to my knowledge base for my company. And once I add this to my knowledge base and press confirm here, what's gonna happen is it's going to add it to that knowledge base and be a reference point moving forward for that lead list to essentially be a part of my sales process. As you can see, this has done a great job of helping us out and adding it here. I'm able to see very quickly where these came from, and I can cross-reference the websites quickly. And I could even add these links to my knowledge base if I want, and drill down more by clicking on focus and asking follow-up questions here too. Like asking it to find more leads from this website if I found that that website did a good job. So I was gonna search just there and try to find more. All right, and I found more. And then from there, I can click on action and add it to my knowledge base, or make adjustments and edit it in a text editor before moving forward and exporting it into a text file or adding it to my knowledge base. So with that being said, I hope this saves you time moving forward on how to increase your lead lists using Text Cortex. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.